Hi everyone and welcome to my first ASOS haul. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow, support your boy, in this quarantine. Okay, so this is my first ASOS haul, and I was super excited just to do something that I had been watching on YouTube for quite a while. And since I love ASOS because I feel like they literally have everything to offer, from men's, women's, plus size, like literally, and a lot of their pieces that they carry are also like unisex, which is like perfect for my aesthetic right now. I was doing something that I'm calling the $100 challenge. So my goal was to basically pick out as many items as I could in terms of like my style, aesthetic, and whatnot, but all put it within a budget of under $100. I actually did it. I got a total of 6 items, which actually equaled just under $100. It was actually $99.50. It's like, how awesome is that? Like, just on the mark. And I've styled it with other pieces in my wardrobe. So, can't wait to show you. So, the first item that we have up is this 2XL forest green ASOS crop top. Look at this. Look how sheer this is. I love it because if we're really gonna go there, we're gonna go there, okay? It's super breathable. I love this turtleneck effect that it has because when you wear it and you have it on, it's like you realize you can like dress it up or dress it down and whatnot. What I decided to do was like take a risk and put it with my black overalls, and I paired it up with some Urban Outfitter boots that I just love, love, love. And then to top it off and do another pop of green, like this forest green color right here, I went ahead and put a do-rag, a velvet do-rag on my head that was also forest green. So I felt like it was like taking a risk, but it paid off definitely, and the look turned out to be awesome. The next item that I have is another ASOS brand. It says explicit on it, which I like. I didn't know that. I just went ahead and ordered it, which obviously you should not do, but it worked out for the best. Explicit, Another 2XL. This was 14 bucks, like so worth the buy. It's another shirt that's super, super breathable. Looks really good on. I love the pop of red. I decided to do it with some black pants, a black hat, my Converse by Garcon, and just like rock it out with just a black base. But you can still transition into like night and get away with wearing it during the daytime as well. So I really, really like that. This next tank is probably one of my favorites that I picked out from the lot that I got. It is this yellow tank right here. Another sleeveless tank that I just love. Summertime yellow. And I'm all about these details on the back. Look at this. This is so bomb. So bomb. Another 2XL. I got it for $16.50, which is amazing. Like something like this that's already like trending summertime, says life is beautiful on the front. And I personally love, love, love yellow on my skin tone. I decided to shy away from other bright colors with my outfit, so I put it with a pair of gray pants, some Vans, and another black hat. And it just makes this like perfect summertime Venice look that I just really love. The next item that I have up, I was just super inspired when I saw it. I was thinking like pop of the 90s, basically like had this like Afrocentricity type of thing going on, a complete mood, right? I personally, as like a bigger guy, tend to stay away from horizontal stripes. However, I just couldn't resist a crop top. Once again, take a risk or you ain't doing shit. I really, really love the stripes. Doesn't go all the way around though. We have this here. And I was just like so inspired by this look and what you could do with it that I did like two dress him up and then dress him down. First look is with a simple pair of black trousers, and then the last look that I have was with some shorts that I also got. So I got this shirt for 17 bucks. The shorts I also got on ASOS for $29 in the plus size section, which I love, love, love that they have this option for people like me in terms of that representation. I also paired up the shorts with some ASOS boots that I got. I call them like my little Thanos shoes. They're actually like really, really high up. Just give me my Spice Girl fantasy. Just hand it over. My last and final look is probably my favorite look. I love this tank here. Look at this. I'm so into the whole neon green thing. I know I'm so basic, but I love neon green. I call it bad bitch green. It's all about unity. If you look closely up here at the picture, you see these people hugging. It just reminds me right now of what we basically need in the world is unity, which just so happens to say in the back as well. You know I'm all about the fucking back and those details as well. I just feel like this gives that quintessential summertime beach look, even though we may not be able to go to the beach right now because of the whole quarantine lockdown situation. Don't fret, don't fret, don't fear. You can do it indoors. I decided to pair it up with, once again, those ASOS shorts that I bought for 29 bucks. This shirt right here was only $11.50. Like, are you kidding me? And like I said before, I paired it up with the shorts and then rocked it out with some really colorful Vans just to bring out just like nothing but color. I just love playing with color from head to toe, basically. So, yeah, I love this shirt along with the outfit, giving those summertime vibes. And yeah, last look. Thank you all so much for watching my first ASOS haul. Many more to come, but in order to see them, subscribe. Please, please, please support and like and comment when you get a chance. Thank you and much love.